Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 3 magnitude felt in San Juan, Argentina. Depth of this earthquake is 140.8 km and this earthquake felt on March 21, 2022. Local time is 12:51 am. Nearby towns and cities: 92 km west and south of China, 127 km north and west of San Jose de Jical. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: clear sky, 15.7 degrees centigrade, 60 Fahrenheit, humidity is 24% and wind is 3 meters per second from northwest. Primary data source is Raspberry Shake. Estimated release energy from this quake is 554 kilowatt hours, which is equivalent to 0.477 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.